Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon and in today's video I am back with another headband wig video. This one is in collaboration with Supernova hair. They sent me over this really cute headband wig and I am experimenting with some color again. So if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's just get straight into this video. So like I said, this hair is from Supernova. They're 100% human hair. Right away, super cute packaging. I've never seen it come where it's like in a drawstring bag and then the box is inside. So this is their packaging right here. It just says Supernova on it. And then they have a bag that includes the extra headbands. So yeah, let's just get straight into this. If you guys didn't already know about headband wigs, they're super easy, super convenient, and they're my favorite because it's like the easiest wig you will ever own. The headband is already attached to the wig and you just put it on and go. Like, you can do any type of style you want, half up, half down, ponytail, buns, you name it. You can do whatever, and then you can always put whatever headband you want on top of it. So, oh my god, this headband is so cute. Oh my god. I wanted one like this so bad. It's so cute. When I saw that they had rhinestone headbands, I was like, yes, please send me one. So this is the gold and black one. It's so beautiful. Like, I can't wait to wear this like during holiday season. So cute. So that came included with it, as well as one of the headbands, and then the wig cap, a little extra adjustable wig band if I need one, and then the actual hair. So I believe this is the deep wave in a 20-inch, and it's the colored hair. So I'm gonna just go ahead and remove the net. And as you guys can see, it does have like that pop of color in it. It is like a wavy texture. Really, really cute. Love that. I think that's great for the fall time. And then the headband, of course, is attached to it. And then it has the clips inside to help attach to your hair. And this is the kind of clips where you have to pop them open. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop them open and just put this wig on and just get straight into the application. Okay, so once it's clipped on, I just go ahead and snap in the Velcro. And they did the Velcro on this really good. Like, it's long enough, because some headband wigs, it's not long enough, and it's just like, okay, so this is what it looks like initially on. Just really long hair, really nice texture. I like the pop of color that it gives me, but of course I'm gonna fit it to my face, so like I like to push my headbands back some. And that's when I'll put like the other different ones on over it, but I'm just gonna kind of put that back a little bit. Okay, so this is good because it does blend with my real hair, because I forgot that this wig is like darker at the roots and then it'll come out with the highlights, so I don't have to worry too much. The hair feels really soft and nice. I like that about it. It's a really good length. Love that as well. You can wet this hair. You can do pretty much whatever to this hair. So it's a really nice texture. I love the highlights in it. Really pretty. Really, really pretty. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and try on the headbands now. But y'all saw how easy that was. Like, I just put on super fast. Not much work to do. So I'm excited about this one. I'm gonna try this one on first. So this is the rhinestone one. Oh, it's so cute. I feel like a little doll. This is cute. So yeah, like what I did, guys, I just kind of folded the headband back some and put the headband on top of it. You can do that. If you guys don't want any hair left out, of course you can put the headband wig all the way down more on your head, but I always like just a little bit of hair out. I just feel like it looks a bit more natural. that's just my look. So this is the first look right here. Really cute. Okay, so this is what it looks like with this like teal type of headband. Really cute. You could also do like a really cute half up, half down with this hair. I always love half up, half down, so it's like you can just put it up or whatever. But I feel like mostly I would wear this hair down, just because I would really want to see that nice little highlights on it. And then I'm going to show you guys the next headband. Okay guys, so this is like the leopard cheetah one. I think this looks really cute, especially with the hair color. Like it's all that kind of brown and black type of hair. I think this is really, really cute. Like this makes such cute fall hair, like especially with these highlights. I really like it. So yeah, this headband looks cute as well. Really, really like this. Okay, so they included like such a big headband. This isn't even a headband. This is like a bandana type of scarf. So it's so big. This is cute though. So it's perfect. This you can do like any look you want. I don't really know how to tie scarves that good. Like I suck. I'd have to watch a tutorial because the way I tie scarves are horrible, but I think you just make the ends meet. Okay, so for this one I just ended up like tying it like this kind of way. So that's what I did with this scarf, but of course you can do so many different looks and stuff with it, so you know, it's cool. You can do whatever. And also this hair did come with these lashes, which are super, super cute. When I get these packages, I might start putting on the lashes to let you guys see what they look like on. But yeah, these are the lashes. They're really cute. They're actually like boom, you know. But yeah guys, this is the hair. I really, really like it. It's super cute. I love this for the fall, like nice fall hair, some just highlights, pop of color, really cute. You can wet the hair of course if you want to give it that like really super defined look if you want. But overall I really like the hair. It's really soft, it's nice, it's the perfect length on there. So yeah guys, I really like this hair. Definitely check out Supernova. I will have all the information on this hair linked in the description box below. They also have other headband wigs you can check out of course, so if there's other styles you're looking for, definitely check them out. You'll probably most likely find anything that you're looking for or want. So yeah, if you're already subscribed, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below how you like this hair, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.